Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kaya Academy. My name is Sevinch and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check them and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. My channel is growing now with your support and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about an app called Pocket. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kaya Academy. My name is Sevinch and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check them and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share it in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. My channel is growing now with your support and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about an app called Pocket. Pocket app, save, read and grow. And with the help of this app, you can save and read news and articles. And as you can see on the screen, it has 4.8 stars out of 5 and it is ranked 6th in the news section, so it's very popular in news field. And also it is compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch and Android as well. And the developer is Read It Later Inc. And there is a free version, but there are in-app purchases as well. And what is Pocket App? Pocket App is the place to absorb great content, and you can use this app to capture the content that comes at you all day long and create your own space filled with only the topics you care about. And you can just save the latest stories, articles, news, supports videos from any device, any publisher or app, and then you can fill your mind with a reading, watching and listening experience designed for calm eyes, free hands and fresh focus. And you can save the latest news, magazine articles, stories, videos, recipes, web pages, anything you discover online, or subscribe to any publisher. User favorites include New York Times, The Guardian, Washington Post, Flipboard, also New Yorker, Business Insider, etc. There are so many resources. And Pocket's clean layout and customizable display make for a relaxing reading experience that clears out the visual clutter and just gives your eyes a rest and lets your mind focus on the information at hand. And also if you love long reads, Pocket's typography and layout keep reading comfortable for longer stretches. And if you love reading before bed, you can just try new dark and sepia themes to reduce visual stimulation before you sleep. And Pocket's Listen feature turns any news story, article, or blog post into a hands-free, eyes-free learning experience. And you can just turn content into knowledge while you cook, commute, work out, walk, or just relax and listen. It's in your pocket, it's on your phone, tablet, and computer, even when you're offline. And whether you're taking the news or just taking the news break and reading from bed, or breezing through articles on your commute, Pocket makes the most of your time by getting you straight to the news feeds, magazine articles, tutorials, and just supports that are compelling to you. and estimated reading times help you turn any time into quality time. So let's look at the preview here, and you can see the design from there. You can just save great content and from anywhere, and you can just read it everywhere and listen to articles, absorb knowledge, and let your interest grow. I think, the design looks really good. We'll just go to the app right now. So from there, just tap open, and we'll directly go to the Pocket app. So you can also save to Pocket with browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, and Safari, and you can upgrade to Pocket Premium for a more powerful Pocket experience. And actually, I won't just give you the details about it because the pricing sometimes could change. So just to make sure about the pricing, go to the App Store and just check the pricing there on App Store, and I think this will be better. And yeah, so you can just sign up or log in. So I'll just try to continue with Google. So from there, I'll just use this app immediately. Yeah, let's get started. So my list is empty right now, and we can just learn how to save here. So from your apps, you can use it from your computer, from your clipboard, or you can save via email. Also, from there, just tap heart icon and you can discover the news from this place. So you can see all these news here. And the other part, just tap activity icon. There is no activity right now, and you can find people to follow as well. And probably from there, you're just gonna get notifications, and my profile also, all the things that I loved and saved will be just seen here. So just like that. And when we just talk about the pros and cons of this app, Pocket lets you save any web pages you come across for reading them later in a single click via the browser extension or your phone share option, and syncing is fast and simple. And Pocket strips away everything related to the article, so it also works as a distraction-free reading tool. And also, according to users, recommended articles are very good. And yeah, so generally it's a very good app. And the design, I really love the design. Yeah, the cons of this app, and so many people say that there are some free version limitation, like how many highlights you can make, and sometimes not all images get saved in Pocket, and it could be a problem for some users, but generally it's a very helpful app. And what do you think about it? Do you use this app, or are you just using another apps like that? And what is your suggestion to follow the news? And I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Just if you have any suggestions or if you have any thoughts on this app, just let me know in the comments below. And yeah, so we can end the video right now. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.